Our issue with the Marawi Compensation Board, one, is the budget they requested. They requested for 60 billion. Okay? Then after that, they made an assessment, baka 30 billion ang kailangan. What they actually got was only 1 billion last year and 1 billion this year. The first question I asked DBM was what the utilization rate was. For 2024, 0%. For 2023, it's very small also. But when I talked to the members of the Marawi Compensation Board, what they said is, we actually adjudicated already. And we've sent it to DBM last year's 2023. So that 1 billion pesos that was adjudicated, only 300 million was given to the victims. Yung 600 million, pending pa yan sa DBM. And unfortunately, I don't have the privilege of asking that again. So I'd like to appeal, since the Commission on Human Rights is acting like a big brother, when it comes to the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region, to help also monitor the compensation being released to the Marawi victims. Because, again, we don't want this to happen again, that the release of compensation will be very slow. And lastly, and more importantly, this implementation of this Republic Act, the Marawi Compensation Board, is actually an accomplishment in terms of human rights under the Bongbong Marcos administration. So I hope we can get the support of the Commission on Human Rights on this. Thank you, Madam Chair, for giving me time to state my concerns.